Hello everybody. This is going to be the explanation of the grammar topic today of tag questions. Again, if you don't understand the explanation I gave, if it's no good or it's just not the way that you learn, hopefully the video down low will help you and you will understand it in a different way and hopefully this helps you. But if it doesn't, hopefully the other video does. Okay, so I'm going to be talking about tag questions today. Tag questions, you've probably seen them a million times before, but didn't know they were called tag questions. So tag questions are questions that are added on the end of a sentence, a regular normal sentence, to see if something is true or ask for confirmation. So an example of this is your name is Sophie, isn't it? So the regular sentence, your name is Sophie, and isn't it, is the tag question. So tag questions are really used to see if something is true or to ask for confirmation or agreement. Okay, so usually tag questions are used when you're not 100% sure that something is true, but you're pretty sure. So you're 6 feet tall, aren't you? So you think that the person is 6 feet tall, but you're not 100% sure, so you ask them. So this is used in speech and sometimes in informal writing. You need to be a little bit careful when it comes to intonation. Intonation is the pitch in your voice. Does it go up at the end of the sentence or does it go down at the end of the sentence? And this is a really important distinction because it changes the meaning of the sentence. So it's nearly time to go, isn't it? See the intonation, isn't it? That is a real question. So you just don't know the time. So you're saying, isn't it? Well, it's nearly time to go, isn't it? So you'd like to know the answer to that question. You're not asking it for confirmation. On the other hand, with the intonation going down, that is asking for confirmation. That's like, you agree with me, right? So yeah, I just did it. I just did it. It's smart, isn't it? It's smart, isn't it? So yeah, the fall intonation is to ask for confirmation. Okay, it's smart, isn't it? Yeah. So the different of the intonation is very, very important, and you can kind of gauge what the question is talking about. Okay, two things to know about tag questions is if the first sentence, the real sentence is positive based, like they have gone now. The tag question is negative. Haven't they? They have gone now, haven't they? So it's always the opposite. If the real sentence is negative, the tag question is positive. So whatever your main sentence is, the tag question is either in the positive form, so are they, or negative form, aren't they, or the different question words. Okay, so it's not just are or is. I'm going to go through some other ones. So just know that if it's positive, the second half or the tag question itself is negative or the opposite of what the first part is. Okay, and then another thing to know is that the tag question is formed based off of the subject that you use and the verb that you use in the first tag question, or in the first sentence. Okay, so if you say you don't like milk, you take the subject, you, and you take the verb, do, and put that on the end. So you don't like milk, do you? Okay, so you don't say you don't like milk, have they? Like, you use the same verb that was used in the main sentence. Okay? Another example is, he is running, isn't he? So the subject is used again in the tag question, he, and you take the verb is, and that is also inserted into the tag question. All right? So just know that the formation of the tag question itself is the verb and the subject. So usually say, you are walking, you would turn that around. Are you? Okay, so he is running, isn't he? You are running, aren't you? Okay, so negative form, and then subject last, and well, verb first, subject last in the tag question. Okay, so I hope this helps. I hope there's gonna be some pictures, probably this side of me, kind of giving you more examples, and hopefully they help you. Okay, take care, and hope this helped.